hey, it's Guard here, and like I've always said, when it comes to RVs, there's two things that you really need to have, Other stuff is nice to have, but you need to have something if you're going to plug in at a campground to protect your electrical system, like an EMS, and if you're going to hook up to water, you need a pressure regulator. And I got this from RVGUARD. They're an Amazon seller. It was like, you can buy these for $28. Right now, I'll send you a link in the description. But let me just show you what it is. Here we go. All right, well, here it is. It's a brass. It's nice. It's got some nice weight to it. It's got a screen on the front right here. This is the input side. This will block any big particles of debris that might be in a hose or a water line from coming in. It has a screw on the top where you can adjust the water pressure. It has a meter that shows you what the water pressure is, and then the outlet. And you can see it has a nice big outlet where it can flow a lot of water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook it up to a hose, and I'll put what do you call those things?
Nozzle.
A nozzle. I'll put a nozzle on this end of it so I can build pressure so we can see that, and then I'll show you how to adjust the pressure. So stand by. So I hooked up a hose to it, and I put a nozzle on it. That way you can build pressure, because if it's open, you won't see how much the pressure is. But you can see right now I have it set. It's at 30 PSI. And all I have to do to adjust it is there's a screw up here, plus or minus. So if I want to reduce the pressure, I turn it counterclockwise. And you can see the pressure is dropping down there. It's like 20, 21 or so. That's about as low as I can get is 20, it looks like. So we're going to crank it up. And if I spray it toward the street out here, there we go. I had to get some air out of the hose, but there, that's 20 PSI. And then I'm gonna adjust the pressure, I'll make it higher. So this is 30. And now you can see I'm actually just about to the road, actually onto the road. And if I set it to 40, it's a little bit further. So you can see it does adjust the pressure. And now you can see right here on my gauge, I have it, it's about 42. So, like I said, all you have to do is just crank it down a little bit less. You can adjust it. All right, so what I like about it is that when it's installed on my camper, I can see what the water pressure is, because sometimes you go to campgrounds and they have really high water pressure, and you want to protect your components. If the pressure is too high, you can blow seals or rupture lines or just cause leaks. But the way this would be used is that this would actually screw onto the faucet, and then your hose would come out here, and you would go to your camper or your van or RV or whatever. So this would just be in line, and there it is. It's nice, it's really simple. You can see what your pressure is, you can adjust it, and it seems to be quality built. Like I said, I got this from RVGUARD. They're a seller on Amazon, and I'll post a link, so if you want to get one for yourself, you can buy it on Amazon. They're like 28 and change. I have a Amazon Prime, so free shipping for me. But here it is. RVGUARD water pressure meter with a pressure gauge. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.